Hello, this is Stefano with Stefano's Espresso Care, and I want to show you a simple test that you can do to pretty much any machine that has a water level probe and an autofill system to test if the autofill circuit is working. So basically you remove the wire, there is no scare of electricity because it's below 3 DC, something like that. Once you do so, within seconds your pump and solenoid valve fill should get energized. If that doesn't happen, most likely you have an issue with the control box. What happens in many water level probes, like in this case the Electra one, they get completely built up either on the casing like this, the weld, or into the probe itself, preventing from the autofill to shut off, which will be the opposite of the situation I just showed you. Thanks for watching.